today's the day. So we are finally getting the chipper, and we're gonna chip as many doom piles up as we can to get bedding for bedding bagged up to use throughout this winter. So let's go get ready. So excited. I wish you guys could smell how nice it is in here. There's nothing like the smell of fresh cut wood or chipped wood. It just is so pleasant. I absolutely love it. So I got about half the trailer bagged up before the snow came. So we tarped it. We got about 27 bags. Thinking I'll get another 25 more, so about 50 bags total, at least, which should give us about 9 weeks of bedding. So obviously I didn't get all the chipping done that I wanted, but 9 weeks is pretty good. That's going to save us a nice chunk of money. That's about $500 in bedding for what we go through. What's nice is it's been 3 days since we gave them some fresh bedding, and now they're ready for some more. But I only need one of these bags, whereas the finer stuff that we get from the store, I need 2 bags to fill their space. So, not too shabby. Let's take them some fresh bedding. All right. 1 down, 2 to go. And you are still so gross. You know, What if you get hypothermia? Pissing all over yourself like this. You're lucky we're not in the deep freeze. What am I going to do with you when it starts freezing? Huh? Yeah, cochina. Gross, dude. How pretty, baby. How pretty, baby. You gonna look over here? Aw, look at you. You are a pretty girl, huh? Just wish you'd stop jumping in the hay feeder. Alright, so here's a bit of before. You can see all that duck poop over there. This is the duck in the little baby goat space. So theirs isn't too terribly bad. But I figure since we're giving everyone new bedding, go ahead and give them some too. And I'll let you see the other one before. Alright, here we go. I'll kind of mix this one up because they like to burrow and make a little sleeping pocket here. But, so 3 days, well used, time for another layer. So let's get some nice fresh bedding. Doesn't that look so much nicer? Gorgeous.